What's going on, everybody? Chanel Stevens here, and in this video I want to show you guys how I use law of attraction and manifestation to get results fast online and be able to live the life of my dreams, have a great online business where I'm able to upkeep my lifestyle and things like that. Because I know a lot of videos on here just talk about law of attraction and stuff like that, but they only talking about, to manifest this quick, $10,000 or this quick $5,000 or something like that. But I want to show you guys how you can actually manifest a whole business, how you can manifest a whole lifestyle, and that's what I'm gonna go over in this video. But first, I want to announce the winner to the giveaway that I announced last week in my private group, Mogul Academy. Now, I said the winner, if all you have to do is leave a comment, and the winner actually gets free 30-minute private coaching session through Skype with me. You'll be able to record the call, take notes, everything like that. I just want to first announce the winner, and the winner is, I'm going to pop it up here, Nyandi Jackson. Now, the reason she's the winner is because, honestly, I've been seeing her post on my videos for a long time now. Even by the comments, she said she's been watching me for over 2 years. Well, her daughter is 2 years old now, and she was watching me ever since she was pregnant. So I just want to say thank you for your support. And this is not even the first time I see you comment. I see you comment on a lot of my videos, and you said you'll be a great mentee. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give you the opportunity to speak with me and ask me any questions you want. Pick my brain. Go ahead and email me at chanel@mogulriches.com so you can set up that private coaching call, and I look forward to really speaking with you. So let's jump right into law of attraction and manifesting results. Now, guys, I've been able to, as you can see from my YouTube channel, I've been basically making tons and tons of money. I've been able to get really great results with online marketing. I do something called CPA marketing. For everybody who's watching this video and you don't know who I am, you can just check out my channel. You'll see all the videos, that the type of content that I drop, but it's really about, CPA marketing, using paid traffic to generate an online income. And, it allows me to have financial freedom, time freedom, and I'm also able to just work from anywhere. So, I can work, I got a home office, I can work from my house, but I can also, I like to travel and stuff a lot. You see videos of me traveling and stuff, and I'm able to work while I'm traveling as well. So I really wasn't able to do that when I first got started online. So you guys may be saying, Chanel, what's the difference? A lot of people do online marketing. A lot of people use paid traffic to generate results online, but they don't get the results that you have, or they might not live the lifestyle that you live. And guys, honestly, it's attraction, it's law of attraction. When I came into this industry, when I quit my job, my whole sole purpose was to create time freedom, financial freedom, and be able to work from anywhere. So those were my 3 pillars. So how I attracted CPA marketing into my life was law of attraction in itself. I was trying all these different things, MLMs, I was mailing postcards, I was just doing all this stuff, and I wasn't able to have the freedom that I wanted until I found CPA marketing. And how CPA marketing came into my life was law of attraction, because I put out into the world that I want to actually have these things. I talked it, I spoke it, but I want to say there is a specific process. So I just don't want to say just talk life into it and things like that. I want to actually give you some practical steps that you could take away from this video. So after you're done watching this video, you'll know exactly what you need to do to get results in your life. All right, guys, so first things first, I program my subconscious mind. Subconscious programming, that's the first step. Now, how do you program your subconscious mind? Now, how do you program it? Through affirmations. Now, I know a lot of you guys have heard of affirmations, but affirmations are so powerful. Guys, I didn't just listen to affirmations, once a day, 30 minutes, an hour a day. I literally slept to 8-hour affirmations every single night. This is going to be my beginner steps, like what it took for when I had $0 in my bank account, literally zero. And how do I know I had $0, guys? I knew I had $0 because at that time I was living at my father's house. I didn't even have my own place. I moved back in with my dad and everything like that because I didn't have any money. I didn't want to work a job. And lucky for me, I'm just so grateful, and I have a ton of gratitude towards my dad because he allowed me to stay at his house rent free. And I wasn't working. He didn't bother me or nothing. He didn't pressure me. He didn't stress me out about not having a job or nothing. So I really appreciate him for that, because I was able to focus on what I needed to do to get results. But guys, I was at my dad's house and I had literally nothing. I literally had $0, right? And what happened was, within 30 days of setting the actual intention, I was able to manifest an apartment. I was able to manifest my own place. Now, I'm not still in that apartment. Obviously, I've been able to manifest bigger and better. But at that point, I was just trying to get out of my dad's house. I didn't want to stay there. I didn't want to be in my 20s living with my parents. So that was my first step. So I'm giving you the steps I took to get out of that place, because from getting out of that place allowed me to go to the next level, because I stuck with what I was doing even when I was able to have my own place. So what I did was I listened to affirmations every single day. I slept to the affirmations. I woke up to the affirmations. Now, I'll show you what type of affirmations I would actually listen to. I like pop up a little video right here to show you like what type of affirmations I was actually listening to. But you'll be able to see like these are so powerful. And if you just stick with this for the next 30 days, where you're just listening to affirmations, wealth affirmations, not just, you can really listen to anyone, but I suggest wealth affirmations, affirmations that actually program your mind for getting money and prime your mind for wanting money and actually liking money, because I had negative beliefs about money. I believe money came from evil. I thought money, the root of all evil. I just thought it was bad. I had all these bad connotations on money, and it wasn't until I removed all that money started to come into my life, guys. So you actually have to see the importance of programming your mind to actually, want to receive money, to actually think that having money is important. And I don't want to say love money, because a lot of affirmations do say I love money and things like that. But guys, you don't have to take that into your heart to where you're just like, this person who does anything for money. You stop loving God, you start being an evil person and things like that because of that. No, I'm not saying that, but you do have to kind of say that to yourself so that you can just knock out all those negative things. But you can keep a conscious awareness, like, I don't want to become a bad person. I want to actually use the money for good. I want to help poor people. Actually set intentions on what you want to actually do with the money. So if you want to help your family, set the intention. I want to help my family. I want to help poor people. I want to give money to this charity, that charity. Set intentions. So as you're listening to these affirmations, you're setting intentions that you actually, want to do good. It'll come into your heart good. It won't come into your heart all bad, where you want money and you love money and you're also a bad person. Now, if you stick to listening to affirmations for the next 30 days or so, I promise you that you'll get some type of results. There's no way you're going to be programming your mind and priming your mind for money and for receiving money, and you're not going to receive anything. Now, the only way you cannot receive anything is literally if you don't have nothing set up. Literally, you're just sitting at home, just listening to affirmations, and you think money just going to come out the universe. You have to be doing something with everything and all these techniques. You have to have some type of goal, whether you're an online marketer, whether you're trying to get a new job, no matter what you're trying to do, have some type of intention with it. It's not just listen to the affirmations and you'll just start making money. If you do CPA marketing like me, set up your ads, find campaigns. You'll be surprised how you'll run into campaigns, how you'll find different offers, how you'll start getting results once you start doing this. All right, so affirmations is very, very, very important if you want to change your subconscious programming, because a lot of, especially for Black people, our subconscious minds are so screwed from years of slavery, from years of just being told that we're not good enough. That stuff passes down and we're really screwed up. So you have to change the way you think. You have to change your mind. The only way to do that is through repetition, through affirmations. Affirmations is just, saying something over and over again so that it, sinks down within your subconscious. So it's important to do. Now, the next thing you need to do is turn off negative programming. Now, why do you need to turn off negative programming? I don't want to stop watching TV. I don't want to turn off my rap music. Well, guys, you have to. When I first started and when I wanted to first, get out that rut, get my own place, and be able to afford everything, with my online income, not have to work a job, not have to do anything illegal or anything like that. What I had to do was turn off all my negative programming, guys. I did not watch TV. I did not have no TV on. I don't see how you guys say you want to be successful, but you're watching TV. You're playing video games. You're drinking liquor. You're smoking weed. You can't do that. You have to, even if it's just temporary, just give it up. If it's just for 30 days, if you can't go without that stuff for 30 days, then you're addicted. If you can't turn off your TV for 30 days, if you can't stop listening to rap music for 30 days, basically you're addicted. You need to turn it off anyway so you can break your addiction. You need to stop smoking anyway so you can break your addiction. Now, if you have medical issues and that's why you use medical marijuana, your back hurt, I understand that. But people that's just using marijuana to get high, or people that's just drinking, just for fun or to drown out certain type of pains, stop. Just for 30 days, get yourself right. Tune out all that negative stuff. Actually get your mind right. As you're listening to these affirmations, you're priming your subconscious mind. And picture priming your subconscious mind and not putting anything negative into it. Not watching TV, not listening to the radio, not drinking, not going to the club, not hanging out. Stop letting people call your phone on BS. A lot of people just let their phones ring, just let people just call them throughout the day, and they'll just sit on the phone talking for an hour. And people be just like, I know what it's like, because I had friends too that sit there and call my phone on negative stuff and talking about gossip. And guys, that's negative programming. That's messing your subconscious mind up. Every minute that you're spending talking about something that's not your goals, not your dreams, not your hopes, not your wishes, not your future, then you're wasting time. You're wasting your thoughts on something that just really doesn't matter. So guys, give that stuff up just for the next 30 days. Now, the reason I'm saying next 30 days is because once you do this for the first 30 days, I'm telling you, it'll be able to produce some drastic results that will actually have you want to stick to it even more. You'll find yourself watching less TV. You'll find yourself listening to less rap music. You'll find yourself smoking less weed. You'll find yourself wanting to drink less, because you're not even going to be thinking about that stuff. All you're going to be thinking about is your goals and your dreams, because that's all you're putting into your mind is, I am wealthy. I am rich. I am healthy. All these positive actual affirmations, especially when you're doing wealth affirmations, and all you're going to be doing is looking for ways to get wealthy. You're just going to be looking for ways to actually make money. It's going to open up your RAS, which is your reticular activation system, which your RAS is just something that focuses on things that you already are looking for. So say you looking for this car. So say I got a BMW X6. Before I got my BMW X6, I never used to see it around. Now I got the BMW X6. I see BMW X6s everywhere when I'm driving around. It opened up my awareness. That's reticular activation system. It's basically like saying, look around the room for everything that's blue. All right, look around, everything that's blue, everything that's blue. Then close your eyes. All right, now think of everything that was red. You're not going to see anything. You don't know what's red. You know what I'm saying? You weren't looking for red. All you were looking for blue. So picture programming your mind to only look for money, only look for wealth, only look for success, only look for, converting offers, only, and I'm just applying that to, CPA marketing and things like that. But you can apply this to anything, weight loss, everything. You can manifest any type of results in your life. All right, guys, so the next thing I want to go over is writing your goals constantly. Now, you guys may think this is a joke, but I got my actual notebooks here where you can actually see how much I've wrote over the years to basically become the type of person. Now, you might be like, Chanel, you're crazy. Like, what are you talking about? Like, no, I literally, I don't want this to fall. I actually have all my notes, brought up here so you guys can actually see. So you can see I'm not playing. But this is full, this whole thing is full of notes. This whole legal pad is full of notes. And not even just notes, my goals, guys, my actual goals, things that I want to accomplish. I write it constantly. You can see here, just more and more stuff. And you might be thinking, Chanel, why are you showing us this? Is it really that important that I actually write everything down? Yes. If you have a goal, if you have a dream, write it down. I don't care if it's the car. I don't care. Write down the cars you want, guys. Write down the cribs you want. How much square foot is it? Write down the furniture you want. Write down, a lot of people say vision boards and things like that. My method is just writing in notebooks and writing notes and taking notes and writing down everything I want. Now, I'm not talking about scripting. I know scripting is a technique used in law of attraction. I'm talking about just writing out your goals, writing out everything you want to do. If you want to do CPA marketing, write it out. Write out the process. Just write everything that goes through your mind. Then you can actually flip through and see what you've been thinking about. Picture at the end of the month, you can actually go through your notes for the month and see what you've been thinking about, what kind of goals you've been having. And then all you have to do is recap and get more defined. And then you write some more down, of the more defined goals. And that's how you get to the next level, is actually writing down your goals and sticking to it and looking at it every single day, or at least every single week. But you need to be writing something down every single day to get to that next level. A lot of you guys don't write anything down. You don't have notebooks. Now, I know this is a little excessive. You see, I got 10 or so notebooks and binders and things like that. But at the end of the day, I'm giving you guys what I believe made me successful. I don't just, keep a little notepad in my phone like, oh yeah, I want this, I want that. No, I actually write it down. I get detailed. I'll write a whole story, about my life. And I've been doing this for years. Like, I just always, you know, been into just writing down everything. And that's how I've been able to attract and manifest, you know, a lot of my goals, guys. So it's important that you write down everything you're looking to do on piece of paper, pen, paper, not notebook. Don't type it out, write it out. Get you a pen, get you a pencil, write it out. All right. So the next thing that you need to do, and I'm gonna wrap up this video with this, is gratitude, guys. Gratitude. Be appreciative. Now I'm gonna pop up a picture that's gonna give you instant gratitude right here. Now, right? You have food in your belly. You have a roof over your head. Now, if you're watching this video, you have an internet connection. You have some type of device, computer device. Like, that's a blessing in itself. You guys need to be thankful for these things. A lot of people just think they're deserving and all this other stuff, and they're not appreciative of what they already have. Now, I appreciated what I had. I appreciate my dad, you know, allowing me to stay at his house, you know, while I built my future. You know, I was appreciative of that first apartment that I had that allowed me to, you know, get to the next level, which is, you know, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, all for me, you know, to manifest my dream car. You know, I was appreciative of the little things first, though. I was appreciative of my apartment. I was appreciative of the little car that I drove. I was appreciative. I wasn't like thirsty for success. At the end of the day, I was listening to affirmations. I was writing down my goals constantly. I was turning off the negative programming. But at the end of the day, I was still thankful for where I was at. I was thankful that I was able to wake up every day and do those things. Even before I had a booming online business and I could blow up a CPA offer and make $20,000, $30,000 in a whole entire week. Right? Before I got to that point, I was thankful for $200 a week. I was thankful for $100 a week. I was thankful for that first $50 that I made with CPA marketing that showed me, okay, if I can make $50, I can make $5,000, I can make $500,000. And now I'm at the 7-figure mark because I just have belief. And I've been preparing myself. I've been preparing my mind to stay focused, to get to that next level this whole entire time, guys. So make sure you're expressing gratitude. You can also listen to gratitude affirmations. Those are great affirmations as well, instead of just the wealth affirmations. Listen to the gratitude affirmations. Listen to the affirmations that allow you to think constantly about what you're grateful for, because you'll find yourself in life just saying thank you randomly. That's how you want to get. You want to be able to say thank you. You want to be able to, even if all you can afford is a McDonald's cheeseburger for dinner, you want to say thank you because it's somebody that wasn't able to eat. It's somebody out there that's hungry. It's somebody out there that's on the street. It's somebody out there that can't even get off drugs and they can't afford rehab. It's somebody going through something way worse than you. It's people out there being abused, you know, and I don't want to go too deep because I know that's a touchy subject in itself, but I just want to say, you know, if you're in a decent place in your life, be grateful for it. If you have a roof over your head, if you ate today, you know, if you have a computer, if you have YouTube and you have a Facebook account, you can set up a Facebook ad. You know, this is for all my internet marketers out here because, you know, my channel is all about, you know, online marketing type stuff. So just be thankful for that stuff. You know, guys, don't take it for granted. Stop wasting the knowledge. You know, we have YouTube. It's all this information online. Take advantage of that. You know, stay focused. Stop doing drugs. Stop going out. Stop talking on the phone all the time. Stop listening to rap music. Stop smoking weed all the time. Stop drinking liquor all the time. Like, some people are just like, why am I not getting results online? Why am I not living my dreams? And it's because you won't give up nothing to go up. I literally gave up stuff to go up, and that's why I've been able to be successful. Now, once you're successful, you can start to try to introduce stuff. Maybe you can, you know, introduce a little TV back into your regimen. You can maybe, you know, if you like to smoke, you add a little smoke into your regimen. If you like to drink, add a little drink. But I'm just saying, you got to be able to cut that stuff out for a time being until you're actually reaching your goals. Once you're at $10,000 a month, you can probably do whatever you want to do, you know? So that's all I got for this video, guys. I just wanted to touch on that, you know, how I've been able to basically reach success. I wanted to go over, you know, some of those things. So I know a lot of people think it's just, oh, I just go on Facebook and just set up my ads and I just get successful. I just became successful. Like, no, like, it's a lot of background work as well. And that's how I've been able to manifest my results using these techniques. And guys, I think you'll be able to do the same if you just model exactly what I did and what I said in this video. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next.